How to log out SoundCloud account. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. Once you are in the home page of SoundCloud, you'll be able to discover various music over here. So in order to log out of your SoundCloud account, you need to first tap on your library option at the right bottom side, right next to upgrade. And from over here, you have to tap on the settings option, which is right next to your profile at the right upper corner. Once you tap over there, you'll be able to see the sign out option at the bottom. Simply tap on sign out, and once again you have to go for OK. And few seconds later, you can see my account has been logged out. So this is how you log out SoundCloud account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.